So why does like turning a PS5 off like turning off and disarming a nuclear bomb? Like you have to go down to settings, press middle button, and when you're doing that at night, Dad's gonna wake up. So like you're never doing that. So you have to try to quietly turn it off at night, and it makes this. Like, I don't know why, but my phone turned off. But like, when you try to turn it off, it's like disarming a nuclear bomb. So, by the way, the game name is Glide Tower. It's just like disarming a nuclear bomb, technically, because it just makes a beep, beep noise, and it's like very loud, and it's very hard to turn it off.